Hi, Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Grammar in a Nutshell, raising the IELTS and TOEFL score by paraphrasing. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is restating something said or written using your own words. You would use synonyms, antonyms, words or phrases with similar meaning. Let me give you some examples. Using synonyms, similar words. What's your favorite film? What's your favorite movie? Which movie do you like best? Scientists predict rising sea levels due to the melting of the polar ice caps. Experts forecast higher sea levels because of the melting of the polar ice caps. Antonyms, words with opposite meaning. What's your favorite film? What's the worst movie you have ever seen? I hate movies. The worst one I have ever seen is Jaws. Do you like pizza? No, I hate pizza. Simplify. There is insufficient evidence to support your claim. There's not enough data to back up your assertion. The quantity is inadequate to meet the quota. We don't have enough of what is needed. Explain or define. It was an industrial area, so there was a lot of smog. The air was cloudy due to the smoke coming from the factories. Urban areas tend to have better infrastructure. Cities usually have better roads, hospitals, libraries, and school than the countryside. Use examples or categories. Renewable energy will be the best alternative to fossil fuel. Wind, water, and solar power are the best replacements for coal, gas, and oil. Tropical fruits tend to be high in sugar. Bananas, mangoes, and papayas tend to have a lot of fructose, which is fruit sugar. Change parts of speech. He was evicted due to rat infestations. The rat infestations resulted in his eviction. He is very optimistic. He is full of optimism. Remember that there's a lot more than paraphrasing to both the IELTS and TOEFL. So take a look at the other things you're being evaluated on. Fluency and coherence. Lexical resource or use of language would be the areas where paraphrasing helps a lot. Then there's also grammatical range and accuracy, pronunciation on the IELTS, and then of course use of language, which the paraphrasing would fall under, and then development of the topic and delivery for the TOEFL. Remember too that it's very important to use a mixture of simple and complex tenses. And we're going to be covering some other point boosters, reported speech, complex clauses, the subjunctive mood, and linking and transition words. I'll be putting some of those out this week, so look for them. Thank you for visiting me at Grammar in a Nutshell. Please visit me at amysindicic.com. Thank you.